Greeting, crypto citizen. This is ICO Quickie. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the existing problems of the supply chain industry and Vanig solutions. This is the second part of the video series that I made for the Vanig project. Links of other videos are provided in the video description. Now without further ado, let's jump right in and break down the problems that supply chain industry is experiencing. Number 1, the lack of transparency. During a typical supply chain process, it would be ideal if participants, from manufacturers to consumers, can inspect and access real-time information about the status of their product. This is challenging in today's supply chain as source and origin information is often hidden in data silos, which is most of the times, is in incompatible or inappropriate formats. Number 2. Middleman clustered. This is one of the unwanted necessities of supply chains. On one hand, we have a complexity of supply chains with multiple participants each, and with a different stake in the product lifecycle. And on the other hand, we have the needs to reconcile disputes, make the flow of products and services as trustworthy as possible, and reduce the counterparty risk. That's where the middleman comes in. However, the involvement of middleman results in an increased cost which shared by both suppliers and customers. Last but not least, number 3, static and inefficient inventory management. Real-time inventory management is very difficult to achieve, especially for large, global supply chains, which is challenging and expensive. It needs a whole redesign of existing IT systems and expensive retrofit solutions, all of which are normally not available or affordable by participants in the chain. So how does Vanig is planning to fix that long-standing problem? The Vanig solution capitalizes on the blockchain technology to offer the world's first integrated e-commerce platform with the supply chain. Vanig targets the inefficiencies of modern e-commerce and supply chains with the helps of smart contracts and the blockchain reputable ledger. At its core, Vanig has a proven blockchain technology that has been developed by the world's largest blockchain technology consortium, Hyperledger. The Vanig ecosystem is robust, scalable, permission-based decentralized blockchain. Here is how Vanig works. Firstly, consumer places an order using the Vanig website or Vanig mobile app. Smart contract number 1 gets written automatically and captures the details of the order between the consumer and Vanig, and is stored in Vanig's blockchain ecosystem. Retailer ships the product from their location, which triggers another smart contract number 2 between the manufacturer and its distribution agent. Distribution agent picks up the order from the manufacturer and delivers it to the consumer. Delivery acknowledgement from the consumer will trigger another smart contract number 3 between the distribution agent and the consumer. Finally, smart contract number 4 is created to capture the transaction ledger between the wholesaler and the manufacturer. Let's take a look at the Vanig architecture. The Vanig architecture has 3 main layers: the presentation, semantic and application layer, and intelligence data layer. The presentation layer includes the web, app and mobile UI, which is used by users of Vanig from consumers to retailers, wholesalers use to interact with the Vanig platform. Interactions like searching, paying, listing products and providing a review. The semantic and application layer houses the core Vanig e-commerce platform business logic components. It handles all the transactions generated by the various users of the platform. The intelligence and data layer houses the blockchain technology, Hyperledger sawtooth services for batch, transaction, consensus, ledger, and transaction family and policies. As you can see, Vanig has a clear objective and detailed technical plan to achieve its goal. With a very strong team consists of individual with vast experience in IT, blockchain technology and supply chains, Vanig is trusted to deliver its promise. I hope you find the video informative and useful. Be sure to leave a comment, tell me what you think about Vanig. Don't forget to check out my other video about Vanig ICO project. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more ICO review in the future. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.